Alright guys, random vlog today. We're starting it out in the car. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well over the exhaust. But I am heading on the other side of Seattle today. I'm actually driving over to Bremerton. My buddy JayR has some brand new fenders that he's going to be installing, so I'm going to be lending a hand since I've already done fenders before on this Supra. But before we install the fenders, there's actually a local car meet in the morning that's hosted Sundays around there. I think it's in Silverdale. It's called Car Church. So we're actually just going to go ahead and attend church first before we go ahead and proceed with any of the installs today. Nice little turnout. Silverdale, Washington. Never thought I'd be here, but it's Evo 3. That's pretty sick. It's size. I like the wheels on it. Super. That's pretty dope. Actually, this one's sick. Track car. Man, I need to get a roll cage for the Supra. Dude, these Broncos are sick too. I would love to get a Bronco. So JayR just showed up and look, it just turned into a super meet. Oh, that looks pretty sick. Which Supra is your favorite? Comment down below. This one's pretty sick though. That Seibon hood is, I really like this hood. I might have to do the same thing. Alright y'all, so we just got done with the Car Church. JayR, Gabriel, and myself and Brandon, we're all doing a little cruise around this part of the town before we start today's install. So we're just gonna go ahead and get some cruise footage for you guys, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Got up to another car. Oh shit. Now I'm at JayR's house. Like I said in the beginning, in the morning, I'm coming over today to help him install his EVS style fenders in carbon fiber. We just finished the the passenger side, the harder side. You can see JayR back there struggling. We're cutting the fenders now, but
10 millimeter?
we've been losing the 10 millimeters, so we have to keep finding that over again. But this is what we got done so far. And the carbon fiber looks freaking really nice. You got a PPF. So we're gonna reinstall the fender liner so that we can cut it accordingly. And then just repeat the other side. And let me tell you, this install is going a lot faster than I did it by myself. Alright y'all, that's gonna conclude today's vlog. We finished installing JayR's EVS style fenders. We pulled up over to the lake to get some scenery before the night ends. So, we got them all installed. Today was a pretty good day. Got some nice cruising in, some car meets, got to see some other people. But, ooh, those fenders definitely make the car look a lot more aggressive. What do you think so far, JayR?
I think it was easy. It wasn't so bad. The install?
Yeah, how long did that take?
About a few hours.
Few hours, me. A lot less time than it took for me by myself. So.
But if we were to do it again, it would take us like half the time.
Yeah.
So, not bad at all. So I'm gonna go on record and say I'd probably rather have it painted. I'm not gonna lie. But that's just me. I don't know. Some people like the carbon, some people don't. So it's just personal preference at the end of the day.
Yeah. I honestly like the painted look, but run the carbon look for a while. Oh, that looks good. Alright, JayR, that's gonna wrap it up for today. I gotta go home. Appreciate you hanging out with me today.
Oh yeah, brother.
Hey, till next time.
Help, bro.
Oh, absolutely.
You are the man.